area known as Dubai International Academy. This is another area where many of the studantus species choose to spend their time. In this area, you can see a very wide range of samples from the studantus species, as well as some very few of Techus species. Here, you can see this is a central point of the habitat of the studantus, where they all converge and consume their meals, all of which occur around 10 AM and 1 PM, inexplicably, apart from one extremely loud bell. Here is a very mildly populated region of the campus, where very few studantus choose to come during their hours, despite frequent moving through these passages. However, there are more Techus species found here. This is where many studantus come to complete work set by the Techus species, or to read what they call books. Here we see a class where many students are packed together, headed by one of the Techus species, who dictates orders to them to complete set work or educate them. This is one of the more open and larger areas of the habitat, where more energetic students choose to play with each other using round objects and kicking them or throwing them. They seem to be very happy. There are also some less energetic students out here in the heat for no reason other than what seems to just watch the other students play.
I need to film for English.
For English, okay.
Bitch.
All of this? What are you doing?
You're filming all this?
Yes.
That's cool.
Alex, come on!
So what are you doing?
I'm playing basketball.
Are you very good at this sport?
No, I'm really bad.
Okay. Sid, stop.